guys, so today I am sitting down to do a FabFitFun unboxing. So we all know I love this box, and I have partnered with FabFitFun again to show you what is in their box for the spring of 19. So if you are new to FabFitFun, they are a subscription service that comes out 4 times a year, each seasonally. It is a seasonal subscription service that sends out full-size beauty, fashion, wellness products. Each box is $49.99, but has a value of about $200 in it. And they were kind enough, as always, to give me a discount code for $10 off. So if you would like to get one of your own, the code is Lisa09, and that will give you $10 off the box. So the box would only be $39.99. So let's jump into this. I have not yet opened it. I don't know what's in it. The only thing I did was break the tape open. And of course, now I can't get into it, right? I am loving the colors for this one. How gorgeous is this one? So whenever you get a box, it will come with a few things. It comes with a little magazine type of thing, which I don't ever look at this first, because when you look at it first, it tells you pretty much everything that's in the box. So I always set it aside and then I come back to it. They do always include a $50 off gift card for HelloFresh, which I have tried and I do like. And oh no, it looks like mine was... So mine is still taped closed, as you can see over here, but in shipping it must have moved around and opened up a little bit. But it is gorgeous with this pink and everything. So let's just tear it from where it is and open this up. The first thing is from a brand that I have used their leave-in, what is it, dry shampoo, the Mousse, and it is OUAI. Not 100% sure how to say that. Hair care. This is their leave-in conditioner. I will give that a shot. I loved the dry shampoo. It's in a mousse form that I've tried. It was really good. So I will definitely give that a shot. The next thing, I noticed this actually on the magazine. Venus Williams was on the magazine, and it looks like she has a product in here. It's called Eleven, E-L-E-V-E-N, and it is a jump rope, which I love jumping rope actually. It's kind of one of those random things. MJ loves doing it too, but you know, it's just a fun thing to do. It makes you feel like a kid again whenever you jump rope, right? Next thing is Livido, inspired by nature, or aromatic body lotion, lemon gratitude, mandarin orange, and bergamot. Let's see if we can, let's open this up and smell it. Let's put a little bit on my hand. Ooh, that is very springy feeling scent. It's very citrusy, but like in a good way. It doesn't smell like fake citrus, if that makes sense. And it feels really nice. It's a body lotion, but I mean, I'm using it on my hands and it feels really nice. That was a really nice scent. Then Dr. Brandt, needles no more, no more baggage, eye depuffing gel. Visibly reduces the look of under eye bags, dark circles. We all know I will give that a try. Anything to get rid of dark circles under the eyes, right? Comes in a little... Oh, I've seen this packaging before. He has like lines no more and things like that. Let's see what this, how thick this is. Ooh, this is a thick gel. Oh, that orange lotion, I can still smell it. It smells amazing. I can't smell anything over that, but I will definitely give this a try and report back if you guys want to know more about that. The next item, we all know I'm obsessed with these. This is a new one. It's called Sip by Swell. Insulated to keep your drinks hot and cold. I live by my Swell bottles. They are all I use. I wonder what the difference is with this. The Sip bottle was created so you can quench your thirst from dusk till dawn. Sipping on refreshments has never been easier. With our added technology, your bottle is built to keep your favorite drink at just the right temperature. Interesting. I have a ton of Swell bottles, and I use them for, I mean, they're honestly all I use except for when I drink tea. The next item, oh, I've had this before. Coors Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Facial. I have had this before, and I loved this. So I am so excited. You got to look at this and go, this, these products, like, this is a, okay, Vitamin C Brightening Sleeping Facial. Maybe this isn't what I tried before. Let's see what it smells like. You guys know I love scents. Whoops. Oh my God. That is heavenly. Oh, such a gorgeous rose scent. I'm going to be trying that tonight. We're going to set this over here so I try that one right away. The next item in here is champagne and charcoal scrub. Interesting. My brand called Relax, it looks like. No. Mana Kadar. I haven't ever heard of this brand, but again, let's see how this one smells. It's sealed. Whoops. Whoop. Oh my gosh. Again. Oh my gosh, that scent is amazing. It's not like champagne. It's very fruity. Oh my gosh, I don't even know, but I am all about giving this one a try now. Exfoliating champagne scrub. I don't know what that scent is, but wow, they knocked it out of the park with the scents in this box. I am really impressed with this. And just feeling the granules are super, super small and fine, which I prefer that. Then the last thing in the box, and let me set the box aside so it doesn't topple over on me here, is by Deluxe. Let's see what this is. I don't know what this one is. It's a bag. It's like in a duster bag. I'm guessing it's a bag of some sort. Oh, look at that. That's cute. It's a little backpack. How cute. It's like a nice, like, material, and then like these faux leather, I'm assuming it's faux leather flaps. Very cute. I might take that with me. We're going away soon. And I might just take this with me as a little backpack. I was talking about getting maybe a fanny pack, but maybe I'll just take this. This might be a better idea. We'll see. So that is everything in the box, but let's go through the little magazine now together, because a lot of times there are differences inside of the magazine. Like, okay, for the bag that I got that I just showed you, you could have received one of three options. It was a Show Me Your Miu Miu robe, the backpack, or the meditation and aromatherapy diffuser. So one of those three you could choose. And then the Coors Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Sleeping Facial, or a pair of Key Australia My Girl Black Smoke Sunglasses, or Key Australia Vivian in Black Smoke, or a Sunny Life Lovers Picnic Set in Malibu, which is a set of like forks, knives, spoons, and things like that when you're on the go. I'm excited for the mask, but I would have loved this pair of sunglasses over here as well. I wouldn't have minded that. Then as far as the body lotion that I got, that orange one, that's amazing. You could have gotten a set of, I'm not even sure how to say this first word, copper-plated measuring spoons, or a mystery product. And I am really glad that I got that lotion because it smells amazing. Okay, then as far as the Swell bottle, the other thing you could have gotten was I can never say this correctly, C-I-A-T-E, with the hyphenation on the E, London Extraordinary Translucent Setting Powder, or the Two Bandits Athens necklace. So yeah, I mean, I wouldn't have minded the powder, but I'm glad I got the Swell bottle because I love Swell bottles. The jumping rope one, the other options were the Daily Concepts Daily Detoxing Brush. So it's kind of a dry brush for your skin, or the Tula Purifying Face Cleanser. Then in every box is the leave-in conditioner, the Pores No More Depuffing Eye Gel, and the Champagne Body Scrub. What it is you can actually go through and customize your own box. And so the things that are pink, which are the things down here that come in every single box, and then the orange ones are for all the members. You get to choose one of these items. And then the purple ones are for select members. So select members actually get these items in as well. And if you want to become a select member, you have to upgrade to an annual subscription versus a seasonal subscription. Then it also notes in here that their spring edit sale, which is you can kind of go through and get additional items, is April 2nd at 9 a.m. And then in the rest of the magazine, it essentially is just pages kind of telling you about all the different products, lifestyle, cooking, tips and tricks for inside your box, the picnic information, like all the different things, some different things that you've gotten previously, a story about Venus Williams. I mean, it's a ton of little stuff and it's super cute. I love the fact that you can see the different ideas, the sunglasses, like, I mean, it is just an amazing, amazing subscription box service. I mean, the stuff you get is hands down. It's not like little sample size. It's not like brands you don't know. It is like Swell, Venus Williams, like Coors. All of these are brands that I know and I have loved and used previously. So I think it's really great that you get full-size products and you get full-size products of brands you actually know. So that is everything for this FabFitFun unboxing. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, please let me know. As always, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, I'd love if you click that little red button right down below. And as always, everything I will be wearing is listed on the description box down below. And thank you so much for watching and sticking with me, guys, and have a great day. Bye.